First off, choosing the right variety is pivotal. Opt for dwarf or bush types like sugar baby or bush sugar baby, tailor-made for container growing with their compact vines and smaller fruits. Next comes the container selection. Go for a large pot, ideally 18 to 24 inches deep and wide, with good drainage to avoid waterlogging. The third step is preparing the soil. Fill your container with a high-quality potting mix that drains well. Blend in a balanced, slow-release fertilizer as per the package instructions. This will feed your plant throughout its growing season. Now we move on to planting. You can plant the seeds directly in the pot or use seedlings for a quicker start. Plant 2 to 3 seeds about an inch deep in the center of the pot. If all seeds germinate, retain the strongest seedling and snip off the rest. Watermelons crave water, especially during growth and fruiting. Regularly water to maintain moist but not soggy soil. Cut back on watering as the fruit starts to mature. Next, position your pot in a location that basks in 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Watermelons are sun lovers and need plenty of it to grow and develop fruit. As the vines grow, they might need support. Employ a trellis or stakes to manage the vines and keep the fruits off the ground, preventing rot. If your plants are not bearing fruit, they might need assistance with pollination. Transfer pollen from male flowers to female ones using a small paintbrush or even your finger. Finally, harvesting. Watermelons are typically ready to pick when the underside of the fruit turns yellow and the rind transitions from shiny to dull. Another signal is when the tendril nearest to the fruit browns and dries up. When should you start planting? That largely depends on your climate zone. Usually watermelons are planted post the last frost when the soil has warmed up. For zones 4 to 5, plant in late May or early June. Zones 6 to 7, late April to early May is best. And for zones 8 to 10, you can begin as early as March. Growing watermelons in pots is an effective, space-saving solution that even those without a traditional garden can enjoy. So, immerse yourself in the process and reap the delicious rewards of your efforts. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.